nights calling sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah.
Hey, it's me again, your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to VanZeig's Hair, Nails, and More, where we are vibing and thriving. Alright, on this channel we review hair, wigs, and I give you tips on nails and how to apply them for business looks or for extreme over-the-top nails too. But today my focus is doing my daughter's back to school hairstyle. So you'll see me scrolling through on Amazon showing you the product, where I got it from and everything. I'll also link it below. She likes these kinky twists in her hair consistently, and we're just going to refresh them, but I'm just doing it in a simpler way for her so she can refresh it herself in the future. It's a crochet style method that I use, and I just wanted to share with y'all today. So stay tuned for the video and keep vibing and thriving. Okay, so now we're getting into the video. My daughter has worn this hairstyle since, I think she started wearing it in 9th grade, y'all. She has found her style and hasn't changed it since. But now I'm trying to help her learn how to do it herself, which is why I'm filming this kind of so she has a reference video. And I thought it was a good method to use while learning how to do your own hair without having to use rubber bands or anything like that. So right now you'll see me just kind of finding where my parts are gonna be. She likes them smaller and not too long. So you'll see me parting off the hair. I like to use about a 1/2 inch parting space as the width of the squares. And then I try to do a brick layering method. But yeah, she had me dye her hair, and she liked the way that looked, and then she wanted it braided back up and twisted back up. So she's consistent with her style and her color. I love that about her though. But yeah, you'll see me here. I'm just getting it ready for what I'm about to do. Just keep watching and I'll pop back in. Bye. Okay, so you'll see me here. I'm greasing her scalp with some Blue Magic hair grease. If you don't know about Blue Magic, I'll link it below, but to me, I use it to kind of condition the scalp, really. I don't know, I guess it's kind of protective of the hair too, but I mostly know it for conditioning of the scalp to keep it kind of moisturized. Not necessarily moisturized, but lubricated, so you don't get dry scalp. I'll also go in with the Miele leave-in conditioner to condition her hair to keep it somewhat protected while it's in these twists, because I know my daughter She will not do anything unless I tell her to. Yeah, did I mention she's a senior this year? I forgot to mention that. Yeah, she's almost 18 and I'm still doing her hair. But she knows I don't mind it. I actually find comfort and kind of like a sense of, I don't know, calm when I'm doing hair. So yeah, especially when I know nobody's going to criticize me. They're just thankful that I'm doing it. But here's the product that I featured at the beginning of the intro of the video here. What I do, I take one of the packs out and I just kind of separate the hair. I'm still trying to show you the brand. I always film my videos before I do like the edits and stuff, so I never know what I'm gonna put in the video in the intro, so I just go ahead and show y'all everything anyway. So, but yeah, once I get it out of the pack, I like to separate the bundles. You'll see it on the ends of the hair, they come in like these little separate little sections. So I'll separate one of the sections, and each of those individual sections I can segregate or separate into about 3 or 4 pieces, which I cut this in half because she likes her hair short. So I cut it in half, and then I'll get about 6 pieces out of each individual piece in that bundle, if that makes sense. I hope that just made sense. But she likes them small and she likes them short, so that's what I do. I just separate the hair, go ahead and get my sections out. I'll probably do like 6 or 12 of these pauses to just separate the hair and get it prepped to put into her hair. Okay? All right, stay tuned. I'll pop back in. All right, so now we're getting ready to put the hair in. So again, I like to do like 1/2 inch square sections, not necessarily a whole inch. Unless you like them bigger or smaller, you can part off your hairs how you want the thickness of your twist to be. I like to use a little bit of edge control or a hard gel to kind of like give me a sleek base to work with. It's like I kind of copied off some of the braiders I watch, and it seems to help with holding the hair together while you're trying to plait or braid the hair. So right now I'm taking it from the base of the hair and just like braiding it down for about 6 to 8 turns, if that makes sense. So braid down a little bit, maybe like 1/2 inch or 1 inch, and then take your hair and crochet it underneath that braid that you just started. Sorry, she's moving. All right, so I'm trying to find my crochet needle. That's probably why it's taking so long. I never have everything ready, as y'all know if y'all ever watch my videos. But yeah, put the crochet needle underneath the braid. Then I hook the hair onto the crochet needle, close the latch, and then I pull it through underneath that braid that I started. I find this is the easiest method to use if you want to put twists or braids into your hair if you don't have that grip strength like I don't. I'm getting older, so my hands are getting weaker, so I can't grip it like I used to. So I'll just braid the hair down, the natural hair down, then I'll crochet underneath the natural hair, whatever hair I'm using, and then I'll braid down again. Either you can continue to braid on down all the way with the crochet hair and the your natural hair, or you can start twisting once you get about 1 inch, braid it down, or about 6 to 8 turns, braid it down with the crochet hair mixed in with your hair, and you just start twisting. Now be careful how you twist. I like to twist left over right. That way the twists come out like actual rope looking twist, if that makes sense. And also when you crochet the hair underneath your natural hair, once you braid it down again with your natural hair, like your natural hair will be like the 3rd leg paired with the 2 pieces of the crochet hair that you pulled underneath your hair. So you just use your hair as the 3rd leg and the crochet hair as the 2 other legs, and just plait or braid down about 6 to 8 legs. And then once you braid down 6 to 8 legs, then you separate your hair once it's back in the middle and combine it with the 2 legs and then start twisting down. And I always, once I twist all the way down, I cut off the little scraggly pieces at the end. But you'll see me trying to do a little bit slower for you, but I have to kind of speed it up just a little bit because I am slower at doing this. Otherwise this video will be like an hour long. So I'm trying to keep it at 20 minutes or under 20 minutes. So it's not too sped up. You can kind of still see what I'm doing. Here's another one that I'm doing. I'm just greasing the hair to give it some protection and conditioning, and then I put some of the hard gel or what is it called? Edge control gel on the hair too to help smooth it out, to make it easier for twisting and braiding. And then I'm going to braid the hair down. See, I got my 3 legs up for making a braid or a plait. And I'm just bringing the outer legs to the middle and alternating bringing the outer leg to the middle. And braid that down for about 6 to 8 turns. Or braid down about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, depending on your preference. Go under your natural hair with the crochet needle. And then hook your crochet hair onto that needle. Close the latch and pull it through. Okay? You see how the crochet hair is 2 legs and then your hair is the middle leg, and then you start doing the same thing like you just braided your hair down. Now you're braiding your hair with the crochet hair down. Get to a stopping point where your hair is in the middle of the 2 legs of the crochet hair and split it down the middle. I like to kind of, because the Marley hair is kind of rough, you want to make sure you have some kind of conditioning gel or cream or grease and just kind of lubricate the hair so it's easier on your hands as you continue to twist down. You'll see me continue to smooth and wrap the hair as I go. But I don't do like a twist and turn, I just twist down. If you want a tighter twist, she likes this style of twisting, so this is what I do for her. But you know, if you want a different or tighter type twist, you kind of have to twist and turn to get that tight rope twist. But she likes the wild, messy, kinky twist look. Messy, cute. And then I just snip the end, get rid of the flyaways or the scraggly ends, and then I keep going. Just keep watching the video. I'll pop back in if I think it's necessary to explain what I'm doing, but for the most part, this is what I'll be doing the entire video. And then I'll give y'all a few of her pictures at the end to show you what the finished product looked like. Be mindful, I had to kind of catch her off guard in most of these pictures because she hates taking pictures for me for some reason. But it's all good. I was like, you're gonna be a model today. But yeah, just keep watching and let me know what you think of the video. Hopefully I helped somebody have a quicker or easier way to do your crochet braids, whether you're braiding, twisting. I just think this method is user-friendly, easy to do, and it will definitely help you if you don't have that grip strength to have neat looking twists or braids. All right, I'll pop back in if necessary, but thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and be prepared for any random video that I might do. I do unboxings, again, I do wigs, I do hairstyles, I do nails, so I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I did just get a few more wigs in the mail. But continue to watch this video. Again, please like and subscribe and comment below and let me know what y'all think of the video and if it was useful to you. All right, bye. All right, so I'm coming up on the last little bit, and now I'm adding a ton of mousse. Now I see a lot of braiders do this that I watch on YouTube here, and it seems to make the braids a little bit more crisp, longer, or more put together, shall I say. So I started doing it too. This style took me 2 days to 4-hour sittings total. Like I said, I am slower than most probably, so you'll probably be faster than I am doing this style. Super easy, super user-friendly. I think anybody could do this, and it turns out beautifully, as you can see. And it also looks gorgeous on her. So if you like what I've shown you today, please like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. All right, so that's it. Until next time, keep vibing and thriving, keep learning as you grow, and tackling your life with style, passion, and reflections of perfection in all the versions of you. All right, Vanessa out. See y'all next time. Bye.